Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class. Monotonicity of function. We saw the definition already. So, monotonicity means increasing or decreasing function. So, we have four conditions, that is, when first differentiation greater than or equal to 0, increasing function. Only greater than 0, strictly increasing function. First differentiation less than or equal to 0, decreasing function. Only less than 0, strictly a decreasing function. So what a stationary point is, x naught comma f of x naught is a stationary point of differential function f of x where f dash of x naught equal to 0. Critical point is also a stationary point, but here f dash of x naught equal to 0 or does not exist. Okay, so this is also x naught comma f of x naught is also a critical point. So we can say all the stationary point is a critical point, but all the critical point is not a stationary point, because here one more condition exists, that is does not exist. Next is absolute extrema. Take down this in your note, that is have to find whether it is absolute extrema. These are the steps. So first question will be given as f of x. You have to find f dash of x. Next, let f dash of x equal to 0. Okay, we have to find out your x value. Then that is f dash of x equal to 0 potting x kadeko. So substitute x and some interval will be given in the question. Substitute x and given interval in f of x. So in the x value interval எல்லாத்தையும் f of x ல substitute பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் the largest value is called absolute maximum and the smallest value is called absolute minimum. Okay, so take your exercise 7.6. 7.6, first problem, second subdivision. Question: f of x equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x cube and interval it is given that minus 1 comma 2. Find the absolute extrema of the following functions on the given closed interval. So what we are going to find out? Absolute extrema. So absolute extrema, I told you the condition, steps, right? So f of x kuduthirupanga, we are going to find out f dash of x. F dash of x equal to 0 nu போடணும், x value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். And the x value and these intervals we are going to substitute in f of x. That's all. Okay, so let's see the solution. What is the f of x is given? F of x equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x cube. Correct? Next, we are going to find out f dash of x. So f dash of x 4 munadi vandrum. So 4 3s are 12x cube minus again 3 munadi vanduchna 12x square. Correct? Next, third step in f dash of x equal to 0 nu podanu, right? So f dash of x equal to 0. That implies 12x cube minus 12x square equal to 0. So can we take 12x square as common? Edutha x minus 1 equal to 0. From this step, either x equal to 0, in the term எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 12x square equal to 0, so x equal to 0. In the term எடுத்தீங்கன்னா x minus 1 equal to 0, that is x equal to 1. So what is your x value? X equal to 0, 1. Correct? Now we have to check இந்த 0வும் 1ம் இன்டர்வல்குள்ள இருக்குதான்னு பார்க்கணும். So 0 இன்டர்வல்குள்ள இருக்கும், 1ம் இன்டர்வலுக்குள்ள இருக்கும். So இப்போ we are going to substitute minus 1, 2, 0, 1 in f of x. Okay, so first we can find out f of 0. நீங்கள் 0 போட்டிங்கன்னா anyhow டோட்டலாகவே 0 தான் வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு f of 1 போடலாம். f of 1 போட்டிங்கன்னா 3 into 1 minus 4 into 1 which is equal to 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Next, what value we can substitute? Minus 1 we can substitute. So f of minus 1, that is 3. இங்கே கொஸ்டினில் பவர் வந்து ஈவனாக இருக்கிறனால ஓகே I'll minus 1 power 4 minus 4 minus 1 power 3. ஓகேவா, which is equal to இது வந்து ஈவன் ஆகிடும். இங்கே மைனஸ் இன்ட்டு மைனஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஆகிடும். ஸோ 3 + 4 which is equal to 7. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு f of 2, 3 into 2 power 4 minus 4 into 2 power 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 into 2 48. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32 minus 32 which is equal to 16. We got 4 values. என்னென்ன? 0, minus 1, 7, 6. இதில் largest value என்ன? 16. Therefore, absolute maximum is 16 and absolute minimum. What is the minimum value here? Minus 1. So absolute minimum is minus 1. This is your final answer. So is that clear how we proceed? Okay, next problem. Third subdivision. F of x equal to 6x power 4 by 3 minus 3x power 1 by 3, and interval it is given that minus 1 comma 1. Okay, so let's see the solution. Now what is f of x is given? 6x power 4 by 3 minus 3x power 1 by 3. Next என்ன find out பண்ணணும்? We are going to differentiate this equation. So f dash of x போட்டோன்னா பவர் முன்னாடி வருமா? So 6 into 4 by 3 x power 4 by 3 minus 1 போட்டோம்னா it is 1 by 3 minus 3 into இந்த 1 by 3 முன்னாடி வரும் x power 1 by 3 minus 1 போட்டோம்னா minus 2 by 3. So இது 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3 cancel ஆகிடும், 4 2s are 8. So 8 x power 1 by 3 minus இந்த பவரில் மைனஸ் இருக்கிறனால அதை கீழே எடுத்துக்கலாம் 1 by x power 2 by 3. Okay, next what we have to do? This is your f dash of x. So let next f dash of x equal to 0. That implies and 8x power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x power 2 by 3 equal to 0. So இது நம்ம LCM எடுத்தோன்னா 8x power 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by x power 2 by 3 equal to 0. Correct? So 2 plus 1 3, 3 3 cancel ஆகிடும். அப்போ இங்கே வெறும் 8x minus 1 and இந்த term ஃபுல்லாக அந்த பக்கம் போயிடுச்சுன்னா 0 ஆகிடும். So what will be remaining? Only 8x minus 1. So 8x minus 1 equal to 0 is remaining. So இதிலிருந்து what is your x value? X value is 1 by 8. Okay ba? Now what are the values? What is the interval given? Interval is minus 1 comma 1. Correct? So minus 1 comma 1 and this 1 by 8 we are going to substitute. So first we can find out f of 1 by 8. So f of 1 by 8 substitute பண்ணிங்கன்னா 6 1 by 8 the whole power 4 by 3 minus 3 1 by 8 the whole power 1 by 3. Is that okay? Now this one 6 and this one இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 1 by 2 power 3 எழுதலாமா? whole power 4 by 3. So that we can cancel this 3 and 3. And similarly minus 3 இந்த 1 by 8ஐயும் 1 by 2 power 3 whole power 1 by 3 எழுதலாம். So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So what will be remaining? 6 into 1 by 2 to 4 to 8, 8 to 16 minus 3 into 1 by 2 is remaining. Correct? So which is equal to, again இது ரெண்டையும் cancel பண்ணோம்னா 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16. So 3 by 8 minus 3 by 2. And taking LCM, 3 minus 4 3s are 12 by 8, which is equal to 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. So minus 9 by 8. Okay, so your f of 1 by 8 is minus 1, 9 by 8. Next, what is the interval minus 1? So f of minus 1. So minus 1 போட்டிங்கன்னா 6 minus 1 the whole power 4 by 3 minus 3 into minus 1 the whole power 1 by 3, which is equal to, and this will be power இருக்கிறனால it will be minus, and இங்க order இருக்கிறனால minus into minus will become plus. So 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. Next, f of 1 we are going to substitute. So f of 1 போட்டிங்கன்னா 6 into 1 power 4 by 3 minus 3 into 1 power 1 by 3, and 1 power anything is 1 only. இங்க even இருக்கனால 1 minus 3. So 6ல 3 போச்சுன்னா 3. Now we got 3 values, minus 9 by 8, 9, 3. இதுல largest number என்ன? 9. So absolute maximum is 9, and absolute minimum is what? Absolute minimum is minus 9 by 8. So absolute maximum and absolute minimum. Fourth subdivision, f of x equal to 2 cos x plus sin 2x, and interval is given as 0 comma pi by 2. So what is your f of x given? 2 cos x plus sin 2x. What we have to find? F dash of x. So f dash of x equal to minus 2 sin x plus sin 2x differentiate பண்ண cos 2x, இந்த power அந்த product முன்னாடி வரும். So 2 cos 2x. Again, we can write this as minus 2 sin x and cos x, we can use a trigonometry formula, 1 minus 2 sin square x formula. Cos x oda formula 1 minus 2 sin square x. இங்க 2 cos 2x இருக்கிறனால formula changes 2 minus 4 sin square x. So instead of this, we are using the trigonometric formula. Okay, now we can equate f dash of x equal to 0. That is, இங்க minus 2 எல்லாத்துலயும் common இருக்கல, we can take minus 2 outside. That is sin minus 2 இருக்கிறனால sin x minus 1 plus 2 sin square x equal to 0. Okay, so in the minus 2 and the பக்கம் வந்துச்சுனா 0 ஆயிடும். So what will be remaining? 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 1 equal to 0. So again, to solve this, we are going to use a quadratic formula. என்ன formula use பண்ண போறோம்? That is sin x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to a value 2, b value 1, c value minus 1. So இது வந்து minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1 minus 4ac by 2a. So 2 2s are 4. Again, it's simplify பண்ணோம்னா minus 1 plus or minus square root of 4 2s are 8 plus 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 4. Again, இதையும் simplify பண்ணோம்னா minus 1 plus or minus 3 by 4. Okay, so minus 1 plus 3 எவ்வளோ 2. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, comma minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 by 4 is minus 1. So these are the two values. என்னது sin x equal to 1 by 2 comma minus 1. So x ஓட value என்னவா இருக்கும்? When we get pi by 1 by 2, when it is in pi by 6. எப்போ minus 1 கிடைக்கும்? Minus pi by 2. Okay, so x equal to pi by 6 comma pi by 2 minus pi by 2. And what is the interval given? 0 comma 0 comma pi by 2. Correct? So pi by 6 is belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. In the minus pi by 2 varadu because minus pi by 2 interval it starts with 0 only. Okay, so this minus pi by 2 will not come to this interval. So இப்போ எந்தெந்த வேல்யூஸ்லாம் செக் பண்ண போகிறோம்? pi by 6, 0 and pi by 2. So f of pi by 6 which is equal to 2 cos pi by 6 plus sine 2 into pi by 6. So 2 6 cancellation pi by 3, that is 2 cos pi by 6 plus sine pi by 3, that is 2 into cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2, sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 root 3 by 2. Next, f of 0, that is f of 0 போட்டிங்கன்னா 2 cos 0 plus sine 2 0. So in the term full 0 ஆயிடும். Cos 0 is 1. So final answer is 2. f of pi by 2. So f of pi by 2 is 2 cos pi by 2 plus sine 2 pi by 2. 2 cancel ஆயிடும். In the term 0, in the term 0. So totally it is 0. Because cos pi by 2 0, sine pi is also 0. Now tell me what is your absolute maximum. So absolute maximum is 3 root 3 by 2 and absolute minimum is 0. This is your final answer. Now take your second question. Find the intervals of monotonicities and hence find the local extremum for the following function. So இங்க என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? Intervals of monotonicity we are going to find. Also we are going to find local extrema. So take your second subdivision. Okay, I'll do with first subdivision. F of x equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 12x. First what we are going to find? What is that? Monotonicity. Monotonicity na increasing or decreasing function. Okay, so we can find out f dash of x. So f dash of x na 3 2s are 6x, x square plus 3 2s are 6x minus 12. And f dash of x equal to 0 implies 6 edutona x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So this you will take it as x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Factor pannamna x plus 2 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So what is your x value? Minus 2 comma 1. Okay, now we are taking the number line minus infinity plus infinity minus 2 1. Okay, so now we are going to consider the interval minus infinity to minus 2 and minus 2 to 1 we are going to check the increasing or decreasing function. Similarly 1 to infinity we are going to check the monotonicity condition. Okay, so first consider minus infinity comma minus 2. So minus infinity to minus 2 we are going to take one value. So what we can take, let x equal to smallest number, we can take x equal to minus 3. So in the x equal to minus 3 here, we are going to substitute in your f dash of x. So f dash of x equal to minus 3 square minus 3 minus 2. 3 3s are 9, 5. So 9 la 5 pochna, it's bigger number only, correct? We will get a positive number only. So f dash of x is greater than 0. So greater than 0 na enna eludhalam, that f of x is strictly increasing in minus infinity comma minus 2. Next in the interval எடுக்கலாம் minus 2 to 1. So consider minus 2 comma 1. என்ன value எடுக்கலாம், x equal to 0. So f dash of x equal to 0 minus 2, that is minus 2 கிடைக்கும், which is less than 0, correct? So f dash of x is less than 0. So less than 0 கிடைச்சனால decreasing function, strictly f of x is strictly decreasing in minus 2 comma 1. Next, which interval we can take, 1 to infinity, correct? So consider 1 comma infinity. So what number value we can take? The least number 2 we can take. So f dash of x equal to 2 square minus 2 minus 2. So 2 square 2 square 4, it's what is 2 square minus 4 minus 4. This is plus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel item, 2 2s are 4, correct? 4 is greater than 0. So f dash of x greater than 0, right? Therefore f of x is strictly increasing in 1 comma infinity. So first subdivision we completed. Another intervals of monotone. So here see monotonicity in an interval kadichirukku, minus infinity to minus 2 comma 1 1 comma infinity, correct? Now if you see number find out பண்ணிருக்கோம், minus infinity to minus 2, it is strictly increasing, okay va? So ஒரு arrow போட்டுக்கலாம் ஒரு இதுக்காக. So strictly increasing. Next minus 2 to 1, strictly decreasing. Again 1 to infinity, it is strictly increasing, okay va? So this arrow shows easy to find out the local extrema and minima, okay? Now look at here, now we are going to find out local extrema, correct? So if you see இங்க f of dash, இதுதான் f of dash ஓட sign changes, that is strictly increasing, strictly decreasing and strictly increasing. So f of x changes its sign from minus infinity to minus infinity minus 2 to minus 2 comma 1, correct? That is positive to negative, that is positive to negative. So positive to negative change achina, that is your local maximum. Therefore f of x has local maximum at x equal to minus 2. Therefore f of x has local maximum at x equal to minus 2. இதே negative to positive change ஆச்சுன்னா local minimum, that's all. So local maximum local minimum ஓட condition என்ன, negative to positive change ஆச்சுன்னா intervalsல negative to positive change ஆச்சுன்னா you will get negative to positive to negative na local maximum, negative to positive na local minimum, Okay, so x equal to minus 2 கடிச்சிருச்சு. Now we have to find out the maximum value. So in the maximum value find out பண்ண x equal to minus 2 we are going to substitute in f of x. So f of minus 2, that is question we are going to substitute. Okay, so what is question is given 2 minus 2 cube plus 3 minus 2 square minus 12 into minus 2. Okay, so again if we simplify, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, minus 16 plus 12 plus 24, which is equal to, இதெல்லாம் simplify பண்ணீங்கன்னா 20. Okay, therefore local maximum value. Okay, that is what 20 we got. So local maximum value, total maximum value is equal to 20. Next again if you change, if you see interval minus 2 to 1 லந்து 1 comma infinity decrease ஆகி increase ஆகிருக்கு. கரெக்டா? So we can write f dash of x changes its sign negative in minus 2 comma 1 to positive in 1 comma infinity. Correct? So negative linde inga positive ஆகுது. So negative reach ஆகி again positive start ஆகுது, right? Therefore f of x has local minimum. F of x has local minimum at c minus 2 to 1 to 1 to infinity. So எதுல increase ஆகி decrease ஆகுது, decrease ஆகி increase ஆகுது at x equal to 1. So f of x has local minimum at x equal to 1. Next என்ன find பண்ணும், maximum minimum value. So இதை வந்து எதுல substitute பண்ணுவோம், f of x ல. So f of 1 is equal to 2 1 cube 3 1 square minus 12 1. Okay, which is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 12, which is equal to minus 7. Therefore local minimum value, local minimum value is equal to minus 7. That's all. So did you understand how to find out the local maxima and local minima? Increase ஆகி decrease ஆச்சுன்னா local maximum, decrease ஆகி increase ஆச்சுன்னா local minimum. Is that okay? Now take your second subdivision and your question is f of x equal to x by x minus 5. So f of x equal to x by x minus 5. Okay, now what we are going to do, we have to find out f dash of x. So f dash of x என்ன method use பண்ணலாம், u by v method. So first இதை differentiate பண்ணோம்னா 1 denominator அப்படியே போட்டுடணும், minus x அப்படியே போட்டு denominator differentiate பண்ணா y divided by x minus 5 the whole square, again which is equal to x minus 5 minus x by x minus 5 the whole square. Correct? So plus x minus x cancel ஆயிடும். So you will get minus 5 by x minus 5 the whole square. ஸோ இங்கே இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு எக்ஸோட வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். இங்கே மேலே ஃபேக்டர் இல்லாததுனால கீழே மட்டும் தட் இஸ் எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 5 த ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் ஈக்குவல் டு 0ன்னு போடுறோம். பிகாஸ் வி ஹவ் டு சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் எஃப் டேஷ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 0னோ. ஸோ இங்கே மேலே ஃபேக்டர் இல்லாததுனால கீழே இருக்கிறது தட் இஸ் எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 5 த ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் ஈக்குவல் டு 0 critical number. So x minus 5 equal to 0, that is x equal to 5. Now we are taking the number line. So number line என்னென்ன வரும், minus infinity 5 infinity. Correct? Now what we have to find out, minus infinity to 5 check பண்ணனும், then 5 to infinity check பண்ணனும். Correct? So consider minus infinity comma 5 So what value we can take? Let x equal to 0 we can take. Okay, so f dash of x equal to, and so minus 5 by 0 minus 5 the whole square. So 5 5s are 25, minus 5 வரதுனால it is less than 0. Correct? So less than 0 ங்கிறதுனால f of x is strictly decreasing. Correct? Next, consider which interval we are going to take. 5 comma infinity. So what value we can take? Let x equal to 6. So f dash of x equal to minus 5 by 6 minus 5 the whole square. Anyhow இங்க minus இருக்கனால this is also less than 0. So less than 0 ங்கிறதுனால again என்ன வருது? f of x is strictly decreasing. And if you see, minus infinity to 5 decreasing ஆகுது, 5 to infinity is also decreasing. Correct? So monotonicity we completed, but here local extrema minima we can't find out. Why? Because local extrema minima when you can find out when one function increasing, one function decreasing. Correct? But inga rendume decrease ஆயிருக்கு. So how can you conclude? Since f dash of x does not change its sign for any value of x. Correct? For any value of x. Therefore it has no local maximum and no local minimum. No local maximum and no local minimum function. Now third subdivision, f of x equal to e power x by 1 minus e power x. So first what we have to find out? F dash of x. So இது வந்து uv method. So denominator 1 minus e power x the whole square. Differentiate பண்ணம்னா இதே தான் வரும். Denominator as it is. Minus denominator differentiate பண்ணம்னா minus e power x, numerator அப்படியே வரும். கரெக்டா? ஸோ again இதை simplify பண்ணம்னா e power x minus e power 2x, minus into minus plus e power 2x. ஸோ இது ரெண்டும் cancel ஆயிடும் by 1 minus e power x the whole square, that is e power x by 1 minus e power x the whole square. Okay, now we have to find out your f. We have to substitute f dash of x equal to 0, right? So here f dash of x does not exist for x equal to 0. நீங்க இங்க x equal to 0 போட்டிங்கன்னா anything power 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 0, 1 by 0 infinity ஆயிடும். கரெக்டா? So this f dash of x does not exist for x equal to 0. So நம்ம interval எப்படி எடுக்கிறோம்னா minus infinity 0 infinity. So first we are considering minus infinity to 0. So எந்த value எடுக்கலாம்? Let x equal to minus 1. So நீங்க minus 1 எடுத்தா f dash of x equal to e power minus 1 by 1 minus e power 1 the whole square, which is definitely e greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so greater than 0 na it is strictly increasing function. Next, consider 0 comma infinity, that is x equal to 1. So again f dash of x equal to e power 1 by 1 minus e power 1 the whole square. This is also greater than 0. Therefore it is strictly increasing function. Strictly increasing function. Okay, next, so monotonicity எடுத்தோன்னா monotonicity minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity, and this is also increasing function, this is also increasing function. So ரெண்டுமே increasing இருக்கிறதுனால f dash of x does not change its sign for any value of x, correct? Therefore it has no local extrema. Extrema means minimum or maximum value, correct? So in the problem there is no local extrema. So the remaining problems is for your homework. So complete this exercise, that is your homework today. Thank you, students.